Dr. Nancy D'Souza, and mixi kulula delishiva, series of Pigila, and town and singing Shebet, also Gesna Binzo like Ubi, Somi.
Joseph, take a long to hold it as well. Kashi, let the dinner, Joseph, the house in Namju to Jate, and so down the dish I heard is the Richie, and the Tindiji sent my job thing. What did you say?
Didn't hire you and the Kinsul leg, the Bachonsra. And Yakia, Meshap Che, the Lauchin Jure, and Lagmera. Kern Susu Tonang, Che Susu Inuanara, Field Lawata, Quali, and Bedan Tasnakinsu, GNM China, PCBC chip, the PGNM Mure, GNM Mure, Kazu. How much GNM there?
And they can eat away the head of the teacher. Like this, are not understood. And in the classroom, they listen very carefully. Same evening, they come back, update the notes, and they are ready for the next day. And next day again, they are ready studying and going to the class. Now their success rate wonders. And it's not that you have to live only in Mysore or in India. You can go globally. Definitely you can go globally and work anywhere. And at the same time, don't forget your community back in India and community back in Tibet. They are also struggling. So, and you are the luckiest one. Try to understand that. You are the lucky people to have such kind of education and
I